First of all, I want to show you how to take the actual mandrel inside of the tool that basically cause the jaw to pinch. Again, you just unscrew this thing. Now be careful when you unscrew it, there's a big springs gonna pop right out. Okay, now you can see inside of here, there's that jaw and the two posts, and that post will go into its alignment for this mandrel. Now, what you usually need to change, if you ever need to change, is take out this and take out this part. And this is as far as you ever need to do maintenance. After that, you really don't do any more maintenance, because beyond that, it will need to be refurbished. So today, I just show you how you can take this out, and then you put this one back in. Now you're ready to put everything back. Now, to put everything back, you need to take out the top, because you need to align the post into here. So it's simply you thread it in first, until it stops. But that doesn't mean you're fully engaged. As you can see, the post is not quite onto the hole yet. So you unscrew the bottom. Now this is a piston that's movable. So you put something, a little bit, you align this thing to the post, to the tool, and you press. Now when you press, this thing will go right in. Now this is the part where you want it to screw down a little bit, and you can let go now. Now you're ready to screw all the way in until it's nice and tight. Now you align the post to the mandrel that basically does all the crimping. Now you're ready to put everything back on. And all you have to do is just replace the bolts. And put back the nut. And put this thing back. Okay, now the tool is considered refurbished, ready to go.